Welcome to KB Technologies Managed IT, your trusted IT partner near Lauderdale Lakes, Florida, where innovation meets security. Protect your business like the best in cybersecurity companies with our advanced solutions. Streamline your operations with our comprehensive managed IT services tailored to your needs. Discover why we're recognized among top managed IT companies for reliability and expertise. Enhance your protection with our state-of-the-art access control system designed for modern businesses. Upgrade your connectivity with our reliable VoIP solutions for seamless, high-quality calls. From network management to cyber defense, our IT service solutions keep your business running smoothly. We design managed IT solutions that perfectly match your business's unique challenges and goals. Serving Lauderdale Lakes, Florida with proven IT service excellence that drives growth and security. Contact KB Technologies Managed IT near Lauderdale Lakes, Florida today for a free consultation and take the first step toward a safer, more efficient future.